All right, what's going on, everybody? Long story short, this engine hasn't ran at its current form in ever. I have rebuilt it. It did take me almost 3 years, but you know what? It is what it is. You take time with these projects. So that's it. Everything is connected. Everything is hooked up. Battery is connected. Transmission is not connected to the differential, but I don't think I'll need it right now. So this is a very exciting moment. My heart is pumping so fast right now. Let's get it. What could go wrong? Oh, I hear something cooking.